In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your CapCut account, or in other words, how to sign in to your CapCut account. First, open the CapCut app on your device. You can do this on a phone, a tablet, or even on a computer using the desktop version, as long as you already have CapCut installed. Give the app a moment to load until you see the main welcome screen. On that first screen, look for the option that says something like Log in, Sign in, or an account icon, usually in the top corner or near the bottom of the screen. Tap or click that. This will take you to the login page, where you can choose how you want to sign in. CapCut typically lets you log in using an existing account from a service you already use, such as a social media account, or by using your email address or phone number. Choose the method you originally used when you created your CapCut account. That way, all your existing projects and drafts will sync correctly. If you sign in with a linked service, simply tap the matching icon. A new window may appear asking you to confirm your identity. Follow the prompts, such as entering your username and password for that service, and then allow the connection if requested. Once you approve it, CapCut will bring you back to the app and log you in automatically. If you prefer using an email address or phone number, select that option on the login screen. Type in your email or phone carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces or mistakes. Then, enter your password. Take your time here, especially with capital letters, numbers, and symbols, since a small error can stop you from signing in. After entering your details, tap the Login or Sign In button. If everything is correct, you'll be taken straight into your CapCut account, where you'll see your previous projects and editing tools. If you get an error, double-check your information. If you still can't access your account, use the Forgot Password option on the login page to reset it. Then try again with the new password. Once you're logged in, you can start a new project or continue editing your existing videos, and all your progress will stay connected to this account on any device where you sign in with the same details. That's all you need to do to log in and sign in to your CapCut account.